appealing to all Ugandans in the villages and in the towns. Make sure, number one, fight poverty through the four sectors I have told you, that your family and your children are in one of those sectors: commercial agriculture, factories or artisan shops, services and ICT. Make sure that the family is in one or the other of the sectors. Number two, especially since you are leaders, fight corruption. I hear that people are paying for jobs in the local government. Don't allow that. Trap those people and we arrest them. You are undermining yourselves.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.